data merging. Word has features that will help you create envelopes, form letters, and print personalized copies of both for each person on a list. To create form letters, envelopes, or mailing labels, you merge a data source file with a target document. Data merge is also referred to as mail merge. The data source file contains the information that varies in each iteration of the target document, such as the names and addresses of the recipients of a form letter. A data source file is made up of fields and records. Fields are a group of specific information such as company names or postal codes, whereas records are rows of complete sets of information such as a company's name, street address, city, state, and postal code. Basic steps for merging data: make plans to determine which data fields you will be using in your source and target the documents. Determine how you want the final document to look so that you know which fields are necessary to accomplish the merge. For example, if you are creating a postcard that is mailed to customers, you can use the following data file: company, name, address, city, state, postal code. Your spreadsheet or database could look like this: sample data file. Save the data file, usually a spreadsheet or database file. Make sure that your data source file is structured in such a way that you can include the appropriate fields in your target document. For example, the top row of a spreadsheet should contain the field names that you will use in the target document, such as company or address. 3. Create a target document that includes text and other items that remain the same in each version of the target document. 4. Select the data source using the data merge panel. 5. Insert fields from the data merge panel into the target document. You can add data fields to either a document page or a master page. If you wish to add data fields to a master page, you have additional options. Preview the records to make sure that the target document will look the way you intend. 7. Merge the target document with the data source file or export to PDF. Macros. A macro is typically a series of commands or instructions that are combined to form a single command. A macro can be a symbol, name, or key that represents a list of commands, actions, or keystrokes. Many word processing programs allow you to create macros so that you can enter a single character or word to perform a whole series of actions. Macros can save you time by letting you automate a relatively simple task that you need to perform often, as well as complex procedures that consist of many steps. Macros can be powerful tools that can greatly reduce the time that you will need to finish your work and can eliminate the need to remember all the steps in a tedious procedure.